Hi beauties. Okay, some of you have seen my new cards on Etsy and have asked, how does it work? So what you're going to get is you're going to get 8 note cards just like this. All different embossed. Well, that one's not different. There we go. 8 different embossed note cards with 8 envelopes. You're also going to get a sheet. It's either going to be a sheet like this or a sheet like this, and then you're going to get a sheet of dimensionals, 1 sheet of dimensionals. So out of those 8 cards, you get to choose whatever you want to do. So I'm choosing this thank you here. So I've got my thank you. I'm going to see exactly which one I want. I think I'm going to do this one because I think that one would look good on a, like, maybe a wedding card or something like that. So I'm going to choose my thank you. I'm going to get out my dimensionals and I'm going to put some dimensionals. Now there's going to be a ton, so you'll have extra. And you're just going to put those on. And you could put it on with regular adhesive, but I like to give a little bit of dimension. And we're going to put those just like that. And then you can take this and you can put it wherever you want to have it. I like to put my greetings either right up here or right down here. I'll show you another one that I did. This one was best wishes, sending hugs, oh happy day. Look at this sweet little one. Just a note. And then it came with the envelope. And then this one has like little dimples in it and it says happy birthday. And I just love that because it could be for a boy, no problem. That could be for a boy, no problem. Any of these would be perfect for anybody in your life. And then, or you could just leave it blank. You do not have to use them at all. I mean, this is beautiful. You could just send it as is. They are blank inside, so you could write whatever you'd like. But there's so many different sayings that you can choose from, all the way even to Happy Easter, Happy Holidays, Sorry for Your Loss. That one would be beautiful right here with the sorry for your loss, or right here. Let's see. Happy Mother's Day. That one would be beautiful on there. Or on here, look at that little eyelets. We've got some little, I don't even know what those flowers are called, but you could do sweet baby, happy Valentine's, happy Easter would look good on this. Happy birthday, thank you. Father's Day, you could do those dimples again, or just something simple like this kind of background. And I'll have more different styles coming as well. You could do this music note for any of your piano players, or happy birthday, music lovers. So look at that one. That one would be a great Mother's Day. So let's go ahead. Let's see if I've done one of those already, because these are ready to be shipped out. So I'm only going to do some, and then some of these will be in my assorted boxes as well, and some will be going out. So let's go ahead. Well, I don't have the Happy Mother's Day other than this one that someone's going to get. But how beautiful would that look? Or a Happy Valentine's Day. So pretty. So, yep, that's how you do it. So you're going to get your 8 cards, one of these, dimensionals, and then either a white or a black of these. So that's all going to be random. Now, you could always add things to it. So this is just plain. You could, if you wanted to run ribbon through the back, you could put any of these beautiful dots in there if you wanted to give it color. You can do just whatever you'd like to do, but I just think these are so sweet, so easy for you to make your own card just by adding those greetings. And somebody could say, did you make it? Absolutely you did, because you're the one who took care of that. So beautiful. I'm so excited about these, and they are just added to my Etsy shop. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.